Okay guys, today we're going kayaking for a team bonding experience. We're going to Ann Arbor. Do you know what lake we're going to?
No.
Okay, to be determined what lake, but yeah, we're gonna have a great time.
Livery. We'll just say Gallup Park.
Okay, we're going to Gallup Park to go kayaking. Woo. Before we go kayaking, we're gonna go get Red Bulls so we can have our energy up.
Okay, I got this Red Bull. Maddie got. Wait, hold on. I got that Red Bull. Then I got this. Okay. And then this. Okay. And then for our coach, I got Shakalicious gummies. Okay. Got the green red grape, which apparently is not a good flavor, according to Maddie. Hey, I didn't know that people actually liked it. And Shakalicious. And then I also got this for coach.
Alright, we're all here. Say hi.
Hi everyone.
It's the vlog.
Are we getting high? I guess.
Okay guys, we got all signed in, but now we have to go to a different spot so that we can.
Lost our reservation.
Yeah, but we're still going kayaking.
Look at these. How? We're filled with weed. We should wait for it. Yeah.
Everyone say hi. We're on the kayak now. Woo!
And Macy's not helping out. Hey! What's up? Oh no!
Kenzie, say hi. Alright guys, we just went over some crazy rapids. Hey. We almost tipped over, our whole boat was just flooded. But yeah, here we are. Guys, smile. I'm not. Back guys, after we got in and swam, it was really cold, and then the grass underneath, you could feel it like on your feet.
Yeah.
But yeah. All right, we're walking back to the car now.
Say hi.
Say hi. All right, we're back in the car, and it's time to go home.